Hello, I built a production GTM system in Salesforce. First, I configured the infrastructure custom objects with master detail relationship, which enforces data integrity. Campaign activities linked to parent GTM campaigns, auto counting roll up summaries. Look at this query. The system enforces that connection at the database, but infrastructure only matters if data flowing through it is intelligent. Yeah. So I enriched a list of companies in Clay with signals like company size, funding, hiring velocity. Then I built a Python script that joins that data and calculates ICP score. Then I imported the scored leads into Salesforce. The flow triggered automatically. Here's the GTM campaign record. Look at the status field. It's active. The status changed automatically when a campaign activity was logged. Total activity shows 1, auto counted by a roll up summary. And here is the final piece, the dashboard. Leadership sees everything in real time, which campaigns are active, what channels they are running on, total budget allocated, performance status, all data flowing from the system I built. So the flow is data enters, gets scored, lands in SF, Salesforce, and automatically fires.